Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. While the COVID 19 pandemic has had a devastating effect on the lives and livelihoods of people across the world, the health crisis has been a boon for the richest, full stop. Millions have died, and the global economy has shrunk, pushing more people into poverty, full stop. Yet the fortunes of the planet's richest have seen an astronomical rise over the past 1 year, full stop. Since the outbreak of the pandemic, the poor have become poorer and the rich richer, full stop. New paragraph. It's evident that the impact of the global health emergency has been uneven, full stop. The pandemic has worsened the existing inequality among countries as well as within countries, full stop. As UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said, while we are all floating on the same sea, it's clear that some are in super yachts while others are clinging to the drifting debris, full stop. While the richest nations may have been hit harder by the pandemic, they will be able to recover much faster than underdeveloped countries, further widening the gap between rich and poor nations with grave implications for world peace, full stop. New paragraph. An Oxfam report released last month and titled The Inequality Virus has made some startling revelations about the gnawing economic disparity in the times of pandemic, full stop. While hundreds of millions of people have lost their jobs and are finding it hard to survive, the richest have remained the least affected, full stop. It is estimated that the total number of people living in poverty could have increased by between 200 million and 500 million in 2020, full stop. New paragraph. But despite the downturn in the global economy, billionaires' wealth worldwide increased by a staggering $3.9 trillion between March 18 and December 31st, 2020, full stop. According to the report released at the World Economic Forum, the world's 10 wealthiest billionaires have together seen an increase in prosperity by $540 billion over this period, full stop. The figures show their cumulative wealth standing at $11.95 trillion, full stop. The top 25 US corporations earned 11% more profits in 2020 compared with the previous year, full stop.